Hi, in this video we are going to create one temperature converter. So we will add two text boxes. Here I have already added two text boxes. You can add it accordingly. So as we have seen these things in previous videos, you can create this form. In this video we will learn new events as well. So till now we have seen click event, so we need to click on that button and we proceed few things, but in this event we will use xbox change event. So when I change the thing from the text box, it will get automatically processed, as you can see here. In this we have already two text boxes, so when we type anything, it will convert that respective value into Celsius and Fahrenheit, vice versa. Okay, for this we will add a event which is on text change. So we'll create one event in code behind file, and next is we will add the property which is auto post back, and we'll set it to true. Auto post back is a name given to the process where the page is sent to the server side for processing. So if we having multiple controls with this events, we can set auto post back is equal to true for all the controls that we want to process. We'll repeat the two events and a property for another text box. So add those things in the text box. On text change, create new event and set auto post back is equal to true. Okay, so our part for the design is done. Next part is to add the code behind file and the line of code inside it. So here two events are already added. So let's take some variables. For variables we will take double data type Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, both variables we have taken into double data type. So for Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion, first we will take the Celsius as double, so we'll convert it to double that text. Now we need to remember the formula, so you can refer your Google, you can refer your physics textbook if you want. So Fahrenheit formula is equal to Fahrenheit equal to Celsius into 9. The whole thing we will divide it by 32. Okay, so we'll get this value to text box of Fahrenheit. So text Fahrenheit dot text is equal to Fahrenheit dot toString. Okay, so this is the part of Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. We'll repeat the same thing again, but formula will be changed. So first we will take the Fahrenheit value, we'll convert it to double, and the formula will be Celsius equal to, first we will put brackets Fahrenheit, sorry, it's not multiplication, Fahrenheit minus 32, whole thing we will divide, or sorry, we will multiply it with 5 upon 9. So sorry for these mistakes, my keyboard is not working properly. So this will be the formula, and we'll append this Celsius to the text box. So we'll convert it to string. Yes, now we will run this. Yes, so first we will enter the value in Celsius. Let's say 12, which is 3.375 Fahrenheit. Let's add it again. Now let's change it to 100. Yes, respective value is added to the text box of Celsius.